everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with my last project for using the Remember the Magic collection from Echo Park for Country Craft Creations. So I like doing different stuff. So this is my Jumbo Folio. It is 10 by 12. Because of Tammy's new Easy Wrap album method, that's what makes this so easy to do. Like, you're not going to believe how simple this was to put together. So what I've got here on the front, let me find a scrap here. On the front we have an 8x10 frame. You could totally do something different on the front. I was just kind of, it was a lot of space. I was kind of at a loss. It was late. So I ended up just doing an 8x10 frame because, again, you know, same thing with my other Disney album. You know, when we go, we always do PhotoPass, and we always have tons of PhotoPass pictures. So chances are I'm going to have a good 8x10 that I'm going to want to print out that I can put in here. This is held closed with a magnet. I've got just some of the chipboard elements, some of the flat back adhesive brads that Echo Park has come out with, which I absolutely love. I can't even tell you. This is just one of the cut aparts, just backed on cardstock. This is a magnetic closure. I meant to put a photo mat here and it didn't happen, and that's okay. We've got a journaling spot over here, just one of the cut aparts here. I've got... First thing you're going to see here is we've got a large pocket. So I've got probably, I don't know, at least a dozen photo mats in here. It does have a 1/4-inch gusset on here. Held closed with a magnet. You, of course, could do a ribbon closure if you want to. I'm quite fond of my magnets. That's all I got to say. The spine on this is only 1 inch, so it is 10 by 12 with a 1-inch spine. So it's big. It holds a lot, but it's not like super bulky. Let's go to the opposite side. So on this side we have a 5x7 waterfall, and on this I just did fronts and backs of a couple of the different papers in the collection. This is another one of the ephemera pieces that I've just backed on some cardstock just for, you know, something extra right here. When this opens up, you've got a belly band with just a very small booklet to put pictures and journal in. Here I've just got a couple of photo spots just in little flaps. Here, if you saw my National Scrapbook Day project, you will recognize this. This is the wallet, photo wallet that I did for National Scrapbook Day. I've just sized it up a little bit more. This one holds both 4x6 and 3x4 pictures. And there's just 5 of the little flaps right here. I kept this fairly simple. Got a tuck spot here. That's loose, so you could put a couple of smaller pictures up underneath there if you wanted to. For the center, and my son apparently does not understand it's time to be quiet, I've got just a couple of frames with acetate fronts. So this is just one of the cut aparts, so you can journal on this and then just slip this down in here. Another one of the cut aparts just on another little mat with a little ribbon to pull that out. And then when you open it up in the back, on the top here we've just got a couple of pockets with some more of the cut aparts. Down here we have what I'm calling my tag pocket, tag flip pocket. I had a name for it. I don't remember what it was. It was a couple of days ago. But you've got 3 of these. These are both 6 inches by 7.5, so they hold, and they hold a lot. Like, they open up really well. They hold a lot. So in this one I've just got, you know, cut aparts that I've matted. I've got a photo mat on the front, and this is loose on both sides, so you can get a 4x6 picture on here. On the back side, I've just got another tuck spot, another photo mat here. In the other 2 pockets, I've just got 5x7 photo mats, and they fit in here perfectly. In fact, they actually will fit this way and slide completely down in here. Okay, I've just got them up just to kind of break up, you know, some of the space between the patterns. So again, another tuck spot, another photo mat, more of our 5x7 mats, and another tuck spot, and then another photo mat back here. So what I did here, so you can get a picture up underneath here, what I did is I backed my little chipboard banner on cardstock, and then I put that down on a piece of acetate that I had, just a scrap, kind of cut it with the curve. Like, I laid the acetate on here, I stuck these onto the acetate with score tape the way I wanted them, and then just trimmed around it. So you're going to be able to put a picture up underneath this and not have it catch on anything, which is kind of cool. So this, I do have a magnet in here. Honestly, it's heavy enough. I really didn't need one. I think I put it on there before I had kind of finalized how I was going to do the front of this. But it just closes up like that, and there is your Jumbo Folio. It holds a ton of pictures. You could mat individual pictures and journal on the back of them to your little heart's content, and you're not going to run out of space for a very long time with this. So I hope you enjoy this. If you end up making this project, which I hope you do, please share it on Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook, and also on my Facebook page, Scrapping Under the Influence. Thanks for watching.